Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ilene. I'm going to do some crafts and work on some Christmas ornaments, but I also wanted to share these two items with you. I picked them up from Family Dollar, and it's the little red truck tin. So that is cool. So this little tin was $3. Okay, I mean, isn't that cute? I don't know what I'm going to do with it right now. I wanted to pick them up because, you know, these things, they run out the door when as soon as they come in the shop. So this little thing, little mailbox, was $1, and it works. You can open it up. So what I want to do is take that, glue it on. I want to use that as a decoration. Isn't that cute? I mean, it is a decoration, but whatever, you know what I mean. So I want to cover this up, probably paint it first, and then attach my tin. And then from there, all those florals that I hauled a while back is probably what I'm going to pull from to decorate my little posts. That is the plan for today. I want to be working on this little guy first. All right, let me move this guy out of the way. And let's see there it is. I didn't paint, you see the underside? I got a big old missing spot there. So let's just touch it up. It's the same black paint. Okay, we're gonna let this guy dry up also. I'm gonna work on an ornament, and I'm using the oatmeal grits lid. I have two of them. I have two here. So I just traced my lid, scrap piece of paper, decorative paper, and I'm cutting it out now. So I'm gonna see if this fits. I'm using my little Elmer's school glue. I love this thing. The tip, I love it. It's so handy to get up in there, and it uses just very little bit of glue. So that's all I'm doing. I'm covering the lid on the inside, and once you get this down, you'll see that it's perfect. It's a cute little frame. Add it to the inside or the top side, and just squeeze it, stick it in under the lip of the lid, and then I'm just going around pressing whatever's touching the lid. I told you earlier I'm going to work on a few projects at one time, so bear with me, alright? Thanks guys. I have this in my stash. It's Elmer's Craft Bond. It's pretty thick glue. I also have here some glitter from Walmart. I've got this glitter. It's the iridescent, really tiny iridescent glitter. And then I also have the jumbo glitter, also from Walmart, and it's nice and iridescent too. You can see, oh, there you go, you can see all that. Okay, so I put a few of it in here in this little tub, and that's what we're working with, guys. So I'm just gonna brush on a little bit of glitter bond here, craft bond, whatever it's called, and hope for the best because I'm going to add it to the, oh, it's so pretty. Okay, look at that, guys. Ooh, that is so pretty. Oh, this is not doing it any justice. There it is. Oh my goodness. So there we go. That's our first lid, and I'm going to leave it like that and let it dry. And once I get my pictures set in there and cover up the back part, it'll be super cute. But I want this glue and this glitter to stay, and I don't want it to fall apart. So once it dries, I'm going to come back with some regular glue, not as thick and heavy as this one, and have it where, and paint the glue over the glitter again. So I'll be back. This is what I want to at least put. Obviously it's Christmas, right? Christmas 2018. And I just like to put Fort Leavenworth, at least where we're stationed. And that way, when I look back at this thing, I know exactly where we were. Alright, so now we're just going to add our hot glue. I just use hot glue, guys. And I'm trying to be as neat as I can. And I'm just going to stick that. It's pretty much in the center. I'm going to do it this way. And let's make sure it's straight.
I'm going to take my Sharpie again and I'm just going to write our names on there. This is the wrong Sharpie, but let's just give it a shot. Let me grab some scraps. Okay, and there's practice writing.
Yeah, I messed that up already, guys. It's different writing on this surface. Let's write Payne family here. It's not the prettiest. So I'm just doing the letters just to tidy it up a little bit since I messed it up so bad. I might be messing it up even more, but it's okay. That's what it looks like now, guys. I messed it up and I tried to fix it. Alright, so I think we're going to leave the other side alone so that in case I don't like what this looks like, I could just leave that side alone and this side alone. At least we'll have two pretty sides and two, you know, not so pretty sides. So we're going to put this little guy to the side since he's all finished. So this is what I was telling you about with the ornaments with the pictures. So this is the cereal boxes. See how I wrote who's in the picture and what year and then where we were. So that I did with regular scrapbook paper, cereal box, and the pipe chenille stems. And then I made a few more, also writing who were in the picture. These are my children, guys. So that is the idea behind all of this, the ornament part. Yeah, so I painted this thing black. So I'm just very haphazardly painting this thing. I'm not trying to make it all clean and all completely white. So who else is working on projects this year? And what are you guys working on? So I got our mailbox base painted and I made a quick little wreath. You see this? So these are little curtain hangers, I don't know, you know, for the formal drapes. You clip your drapes on here. And what I did was I took the whole thing off and I just unscrewed it very easily. So you take that and just unscrew that off. Oh, and this is what I use. This is from Dollar Tree. It's just a garland tinsel from last year. And it just comes off of the little wrap. Now I'm going to make some candy canes. Let's see how tiny I can get them. If I could just use something to, there you go, give it its shape. There we go. We have a little candy cane, guys. Alright guys, so I'm going to take that, a little bit of hot glue, just a little bit because you don't want to burn your fingers off, and put that right there. Okay guys, there's our little tiny wreath. Well, it's not too tiny, but ow, just touch the glue. Oh, don't touch the glue. And I keep touching it. Ow. I think I want to just glue it to the front. How about that? Right there, and you can still see the words. And that thing is not going anywhere. Ah, and it's cute. You are so cute. Oops. Okay. So I just put a glob of glue right there. And this is chenille stems. It's the leftover. We're just going to add another glob right here. I just butt it right up to it. Ow. As I tell you to be careful with hot glue, I just seem to keep burning myself. Don't burn yourself. Okay guys, so I got these. These two picks are from Dollar Tree. Y'all know that. And what I'm going to do, we're going to make a little swag for our mailbox. I'm just going to cut everything off of here. So here I got all my flowers picked off and the greenery all up in there, ready to be used, and we even have pine cones. So
I think that's better than having it up on top. Okay, we can do that. You see that? The glue is so hot, it just melted my stem for my flower. I am covered in glitter, people. Yes, I am. Uh-oh. The hot glue burned them. Oh, shit.
just bring it up to you. So remember I told you you won't be able to see the base of the arrangement. I wanted to put all those goodies on there. And we just made our own candy cane. And that was it. With 2 Dollar Tree picks and some leftover tube and wood. That's what we've got in our little mailbox. $3 mailbox. Or no, not 3, $1 mailbox. And that's it. So I hope y'all enjoyed this little craft with me. I'm gonna finish up my ornaments. Have a great week and happy Thanksgiving. If I don't get a chance to post another video for Thanksgiving or before Thanksgiving, I wish you all happiness and good health, and enjoy the food and family and love this Thanksgiving. And remember to share, smile, and I'll see you all on the next video. Love you guys. Bye.